Holley sniper unit.
Sniper unit.
It's running good. It's running really good.
Hey guys, today we're switching the Miata over to electronic fuel injection.
What?
I know, but for those of you that don't know, this is our 327 small block Chevy swapped Miata. Right now it's got a carburetor on it, which was really nice for the original startup and for doing some of the original dyno tuning on it. However, we've had some reliability issues with it, and it uses a butt ton of fuel. I am almost an entire gas tank every day just in my daily commute. So apparently that's one of the things that kind of gets taken care of when you switch over to EFI.
So we picked up a Holley sniper unit, and it replaces the carburetor with something that looks very much like a carburetor, but it just has 4 injectors inside of it and a little ECU, and with the help of a O2 sensor, it is self-tuning, it can start a lot easier, and it's supposed to really help fuel economy. So it's really easy to install, so I'd say let's just get to it.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, let's take a look at all the goodies. So for starters, we have the actual Holley sniper unit. So this is what's going to be replacing the carburetor and doing all of the magic to have the engine running super happy. So this should be pretty easy to just get slapped into place. The kit also came with a full fuel system, which we're not going to be using because the Miata actually has an electric fuel pump already that has enough fuel flow to be supporting the V8. But if we wanted to use it, it comes with a fuel pump, fuel filter, lines, connectors, fittings, everything. And then we have a few different sensors for the computer to be able to tune itself and be happy. So we have a little coolant temperature sensor that we need to plumb in, and then we have our O2 sensor, which is going to be nice and easy to put in. And then for the electrical, we have our power harness, we've got an output harness, a little coil driver, and then this is going to be our actual monitor that is just showing us what's going on in the computer. This is where we'll do any of our little tuning and adjustability, and this will also show us any of the outputs from the drivetrain, so our RPM, coolant temp, all those little things. So let's pull the carb off and start slapping these goodies on there. Alright, so when the Miata was carbureted, we had an aftermarket fuel pressure regulator mounted on the firewall, and this had our pressure line and our return line, and then we had our feed line coming out of it to actually give the fuel to the carburetor. Now with the sniper kit, we've got a built-in fuel pressure regulator right in the unit. Now what this means is that our pressure line and our return line aren't going to be long enough to actually reach the sniper kit. So I went and cut up some fuel lines to the right length, so that I went and measured them and checked them, and then I've got a pile of AN fittings that we're going to throw on these, and then it'll hook up our old lines right to the unit. So let's get these wrapped up and put them on there. Okay, so we finished the install on the sniper, and now all that's left is to put the parameters into the sniper control box, like the displacement, what kind of camshaft we have, and then we just get it up to temperature and start driving it, and that's what I'm really excited to do. So let's go do that. There's that. Man, I'm used to playing with carburetors, so that was, that feels really, really good. So it's been running for a while, it's idling great. So it just got up to temperature, which means that now we actually get to take it out and start driving it around so the ECU can start tuning itself. So let's go do that. I want to take this thing home. Okay, I've been driving the car for a few days and I am just so happy with it. It's really starting to feel more like a confident daily that I can jump into rather than my super scary project car. And that's kind of what it is. So it's nice that I can get in it and I'm not worried about the carburetor leaving me stranded on the side of the road. It starts way better, it runs way better, there's no dead spots in the power band anymore. And also I'm using like a third of the fuel that I was before. And considering that I spent like $4,000 on fuel in the last couple months, it'll be really nice to just kind of cut that bill down. I should have done this a long time ago. Oh.
All right, I'm super stoked that your car is running a whole lot more reliably, better on fuel overall. Very good.
Yeah.
Good thing to do.
I've got no complaints. It was a good thing to do.
Good thing to do.
You know another good thing to do? Subscribe to the damn channel.
That is a good thing to do.
We like making content for these guys, for you guys. But you know what we like more than that? We like hearing from you guys that you like the stuff that we're making. So subscribe, leave a comment, like, do all that stuff. You know the drill. You know what to do. See you in the next video.